The mayor must now show leadership and regulate business activities, with self-employment or sarili sigap must be encouraged. It should not adversely affect other establishments. Most importantly, it should not create chaos. Kung walang lisensya o permit, malamang may kotong yan. Kahit saan magtinda. Kahit marumi ang paligid, pwede. Walang disiplina. Free for all. This leads me to my favorite advocacy, that of poverty reduction. Alam naman ninyo, tayo ay kilala bilang ERAP para sa mahirap. To reduce poverty, we must create wealth. To create wealth, we must create jobs. To create jobs, we need business investment. If we solve lawlessness, we will attract business investments. The rule of law is paramount. The government itself must abide. A mayor leads by giving hope for a better future, not by force. Mahirap maging self-righteous. I'm aware that here in Ermita, in the case of the Santa Mesa Tourism Development Corporation, the Supreme Court admonished the city for issuing an ordinance that is legislated